Good morning to you all students. Today I am going to start new chapter number 6, division, and this is video number 1. So students, do you share your things with your friends and others? Yes, very good. How do you ensure that everyone gets an equal share? Yes, very good. By equal distribution. So students, equal distribution or sharing is called division. Start students, chapter 6, division, and we are starting from I connect section. So students, here it is written, Rahul and his friends love chocolates. Rahul has 12 chocolates. He wants to give 2 chocolates to each of his friends. He is trying to find the number of friends he can give chocolates to. So see here students, total number of chocolates. So total number of chocolates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total number of chocolate is equals to, yes, 12. Each friend gets 2 chocolates. So what we will do students? So form the groups of 2 chocolates each. So start forming the group of 2 chocolates. Yes. One group. Again. Yes. 1, 2. 2 groups. Again. 1, 2. So here 3 groups. Again student 1, 2. 4 groups. Now 1, 2. 5 groups, and here 1, 2. So how many groups students we have formed? 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups, 6 groups. So students, number of friends who get chocolates. So how many friends will get the chocolates? Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of friends who get chocolates is equals to 6. Students, make groups of 4 apples each. So first of all, we will see how many apples are there. So start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And what we have to do? We have to make groups of 4 apples each. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So make a group of 4 apples. Now again 1, 2, 3, 4. So second group, and here again 1, 2, 3, 4. So here again we will make one group. So how many groups are there students of 4 apples? Yes. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 groups are there of 4 apples. Now come to the next. Make groups of 2 bananas each. So start counting how many bananas are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what we have to do? Yes, we have to make groups of 2 bananas each. So now start counting 1, 2. 1 group, again 1, 2. 2 groups, 1, 2. Now 3 groups, 1, 2. 4 groups, again 1, 2. 5 groups. So students, how many groups are there of 2 bananas? Yes, there are 5 groups of 2 bananas. 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups. So here it is 5 groups of 2 bananas. Now come to the next. Yes, make groups of 3 popcorn packets each. So how many popcorn packets are there? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 packets of popcorn is here. So what we have to do? We have to make a group of 3 popcorn packets each. Start counting and make a group. So 1, 2, 3. So 1 group. Again 1, 2, 3. Now this is 2 groups. Again 1, 2, 3. Here 3 groups. Again 1, 2, 3. Here also 3 groups, and now 1, 2, 3. So students, how many groups are there of 3 popcorn packets? Yes, 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups. So 5 groups of 3 popcorn packets. See, division as equal sharing and equal grouping. So equal sharing. Arnab wants to distribute 8 balloons among his 4 friends. So how many balloons are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 balloons. And how many friends are here? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what Arnab will do? Yes, first he distributes 1 balloon to each friend. So 1 balloon to each friend. So here 1 balloon he has given. Again 1 balloon to next friend. Yes. Yes. Again third balloon he has distributed 1 balloon to third friend. Now again 1 balloon to fourth friend. Okay. Now how many balloons are left here? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balloons are left. What he will do now? Yes. Now he will again distribute 1 balloon to each friend. See. Again 1 balloon. Now next here. So students, no more balloons are left. Any balloons are left? No. So all 4 friends got 2 balloons each. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Here we say that all 8 balloons are equally distributed or shared among 4 friends. Now students, here I am writing, just write it in your copy. Yeah. Equal distribution or sharing is called division. See, is the symbol of division. So it is written as 8 divided by 4 is equals to 2. So students, here again I am writing 8 divided by 4 is equals to 2. So 8 balloons were there. We have divided 2 balloons to each friend. So 8 divided by 4 is equals to 2. So see, 8, the number to be divided. This is the number to be divided, and here 4, the number of groups, and here 2, the number in each group. So in each group, how many balloons are there? 2 balloons are there in each group. And how many groups are there? There are 4 groups. 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups. And the number to be divided means how many balloons are there? So there are 8 balloons. Start students, division as equal sharing and equal grouping. So students, before that I taught you equal sharing. Now I am teaching you equal grouping. So see here, 20 muffins are to be given to children. If 4 muffins to be given to each child, how many children will get the muffins? So students, what we have to do here? So first of all, see how many muffins are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So total number of muffins is equals to 20. Each child will get 4 muffins. So students, first of all, what we will do here? We will make a group. Yes. So students, so form groups of 4 muffins each. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So one group. Now again 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 groups. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 groups. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 groups. Okay students. So total number of muffins 20. Each child will get how many muffins? 4 muffins. Friends, we see that 5 groups are formed. So 5 children will get 4 muffins. We say 20 divided by 4 equals to 5. It is written as 20 divided by 4 is equals to, so students, 20 divided by 4 is equals to, yes, 20 divided by 4 is equals to 5. So how many children will get 4 muffins? Yes, 5 children will get 4 muffins. Now students, I am going to give you questions from your course book, checkpoint 1 and 2. Students, question number 1. 18 candles are to be arranged in rows of 3 candles. How many rows will be formed? So how many candles are there, students? Just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And what we have to do? We have to arrange in rows of 3 candles. So see, 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. See here also students, 1, 2, 3. Again here, 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3. So students, how many rows will be formed? Just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes students, how many rows will be formed? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 rows will be formed. So students, 80 divided by 3 is equals to 6. Now come to the next. 12 kites are shared equally among 6 children. How many kites will each child get? So what we have to do students here? 12 kites are shared among 6 children. So first of all we will count the kites. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Students, first of all, one kite will be shared to each child. So see, first child will get 1, again second child will get 1, again third child will get 1, fourth child will get 1, again fifth child will get 1, and sixth child will get 1. Now students, how many kites are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So students, 6 kites are left. Now students, again remaining 6 kites will be shared equally among 6 children. So again first child will get 1. Now second child will get, third child will get 1. Again fourth child will get 1. Fifth child will get 1. And here sixth child will get 1. So students, now no more kites are left. All 6 children got 2 kites each. So students, 12 divided by 6 is equals to 2. So students, today I have taught you division as equal sharing and equal grouping. Now students, note down your homework. So students, worksheet 6.2, question number A, page number 14. This you have to do in your application book B.